Hello, everyone. My name is D.L. Anderson. I'm the co-founder of Unique to You Marketing, and I'm very excited to be here with you today teaching this 15-minute power class entitled 3 Keys to Creating High Converting Sales Funnels. So if you are interested in learning how you can create a sales funnel that converts at a very high rate today, this is the power class for you. Let's get started. So first off, who is this power class for? Specifically, our target audience consists of coaches, consultants, information experts, speakers, and change agents. So if that speaks to who you are, you should know that we created this 15-minute power class specifically with you in mind. Next, let's talk about why you're here. And the first reason is because your business is not where you want it to be. Okay, you could be experiencing sporadic income, long work weeks, whatever the case may be. Your business has room for improvement, and you're here because you want to know how you can get your business to where you want it to be. Secondly, you understand the importance of having a high converting sales funnel, which again is the topic of this power class. And lastly, you are interested in the free 1-hour sales funnel design session. So you will get information on how you can sign up for that towards the end of this power class, but these are the 3 primary reasons why you're here. So now let's talk about who we are at Unique to You Marketing. So at Unique to You Marketing, we help information experts maximize their sales funnel, master their marketing, and finally begin making what they're worth. Now here's a picture of a sales funnel here on the bottom left, and part of the reason why the sales funnel is a big part of what we do is because the sales funnel consists of approximately 80% of the sales process. Okay, so it's a big deal when it comes to sales and marketing, having a sales funnel that converts at a high level. Now, we're also comprised of 3 primary groups, and that includes our consulting group, our marketing, and information technology. So between these 3 groups, one of our primary services is working with our clients to design and build, once again, high converting sales funnel, because they are so important to you as an information business owner. You want to stay in business long term and have a long and prosperous career in the information industry. Okay, along those lines, let's talk about the struggle. And this is a struggle that I'm relating to many of our peers in this industry. So first of all, the information industry currently has the lowest success rate in the entrepreneurial community. You may not have known that, but it is a truth. Okay, coaches, consultants, we are struggling more than any other group in the entrepreneurial community. And the number one reason why is because many of us don't have a high converting sales funnel. And once again, because the sales funnel consists of over half of the sales process, that's going to be a big deal when it comes to client acquisition and having the money and capital to stay in business again long term. Now the result is a top-heavy industry where only a small minority experience the highest degrees of success. And if you've been in the information industry as long as I have, over 10 years, you know this is true. You know, for my entire career, I've seen there's always been a small group of individuals who are doing very, very well. And the majority seem to be individuals who struggle for the entire life of their business, and then they eventually give up. You know, you see new players every year come and go. And again, once again, the primary reason why is because they never learn how to build that high converting sales funnel. Now this brings us to an inflection point. With a high converting sales funnel, any true expert can build a thriving information business and consistently make 5 figures plus each month. So here, it doesn't matter how long you've been in business, doesn't matter how big your list is, doesn't matter if you're making millions of dollars right now, okay? If you're a true expert and you can achieve an authentic transformation in the life of your ideal client, nothing else matters if you can find the way to build a high converting sales funnel. Okay, that is your trump card. That is going to be your unique key to your unique success. So that within itself is a discovery. These 3 keys are a discovery. Okay, the 3 keys to creating a high converting sales funnel. And they are 1, a proven blueprint, 2, an interesting story, and 3, a motivational email sequence post-offer. So let's talk about these 3 keys right now, beginning with the proven blueprint. And the key here is simply just following the saying that suggests that there's no need to reinvent the wheel. Okay, there are various sales funnel templates that are proven and they work for information experts. You should start with those. You can customize it, and we're very big on customizing funnels and processes to be unique to the individual, which is why we call ourselves Unique to You Marketing. We believe in customizing, but again, we need to work with a blueprint that we know is proven. So that's the first key. Don't reinvent the wheel. Don't go alone. Don't try and make things up. There have been many experts who've already come this way and figured out what works in this space. Okay? Use what works for them, customize it for your unique needs, and then go forward. The second key is an interesting story. Okay? And that makes sense, right? Because no one's going to opt into an ad or a lead page if they're not interested in your story or whatever is the crux or the heart of your sales funnel. And some of these, end up being a webinar, a power class, a challenge, a video series, or a series of free giveaways. But the key is, once again, make sure there's an interesting story involved. And a lot of this, once again, it teaches us to make sure we are focusing on our ideal client. Because a lot of us in the information space, when we have many talents and many things that we can do for our target audience, but we have to make sure that we are focusing our message and our literature on our ideal clients so that they can readily understand that what we're offering is for them and they're the person that you are trying to reach, that you can help change life with. The third key is a motivational email sequence. Okay, and this is the part where after someone consumes your product, whether it's a webinar or a free giveaway, and they hear your call to action. Okay, some of your ideal clients are going to sign up right there on the spot, but majority of them aren't. So what you have to have is a motivational email sequence that keeps them engaged after the call to action has been made and they're on the fence. Because if you don't do that, a lot of individuals are going to say, hey, out of sight, out of mind. And those are good quality leads that you don't want to just let go forever. Once someone is in your sales funnel, they are a quality lead. I even call them a hot lead at that point. You want to make sure you have a motivational email sequence like this picture here that's guiding them towards you, guiding them towards your offer, guiding them towards your call to action so that they can experience your unique transformation. Okay, so those are it, the 3 keys. I'll repeat them one last time. A proven blueprint, an interesting story, and a motivational email sequence post-offer. If you have these 3 things, I guarantee you, you're going to have a sales funnel that converts at a very high rate. So let's talk about what's possible for you. With a high converting sales funnel, you will have clients lining up to work with you. You will have a business that runs itself instead of running you. You will have complete control over your schedule, and you will have the business and life of your dreams. So here's the question. Now that you know the 3 keys, what is the first thing you should do? The simple answer is get the first key, and that is the proven sales funnel blueprint. So here's the opportunity. we are offering, as we said earlier in the power class, free 1-hour design sessions for the first 10 individuals who sign up for it. And in this session, we're going to do 3 things. First, we're going to analyze your current sales process. Then we're going to create a custom sales funnel design for you. And then lastly, we're going to recommend next steps. So based upon the entirety of the conversation, we're going to tell you, okay, if you want to build this sales funnel, if you want to launch it and allow it to transform your business and allow you to get on the fast track to achieving your client impact and income goals, we're going to help you create an action plan so you know the exact steps you have to take to make that real, to make that happen in your life. So here's the choice. The choice ends up being between the old you and the new you. Now, the old you is a true expert, whether you're a coach or a consultant or whatever you do, a speaker, an author, you're an expert at something. The problem is you don't have a sales funnel that is getting you in front of your ideal client consistently enough to have that amazing influence and impact. Okay, that's the old you. The new you is that exact same individual, except now you have that high converting sales funnel. Now there's no limit to your impact. There's no limit to your influence. And now you're also finally making what you're worth as a true expert. That's the new you. So the question I have for you at this moment is, are you ready for a new you? And if you said yes, then it's time for you to take action. Okay? It's time for you to take the next step. And I want you to remember this one thing. It doesn't matter where your business is at today. One high converting sales funnel can change everything. Okay? And that's the beauty of having the right process when you're a true expert. Okay? One high converting sales funnel. Once again, it doesn't matter how long you've been in business, doesn't matter how big your list is, doesn't matter how well known you are in the information community. Okay? If you are a true expert and you have a high converting sales funnel and you're able to get in front of your ideal client consistently, okay, and they are seeing and connecting with you, and it's plain and clear that you are the answer, that you are what they need in their life or in their business. Okay? That's all it takes. That's all it takes to succeed in this industry. So the last thing I want to say is simply, let's get started. Okay? Click the button below the video player to schedule your free 1-hour sales funnel design session today. Okay, once again, the first 10 persons who sign up get this for free. And the value of this, again, you get a custom sales funnel design and a free hour of coaching with recommended next steps. Okay, the value of this is $9.97. Okay, but for the first 10 persons who sign up, this is free. So again, if you're someone out there, if you are not where you want to be with your business, and you understand, you know, the number one reason why is because I don't have a sales funnel. I'm getting leads, I'm getting in front of my ideal client, but they're not becoming clients. And you know that it has to do with your sales funnel. Okay, there's no reason why you should not take that next step. If you really want to be successful, if you really want to have a thriving information business, the first thing you're going to need, again, is that proven blueprint, a custom sales funnel design to serve as a foundation of your online business. Okay, so once again, the first 10 persons who sign up get this for free. So I'd advise you right now, make an investment in yourself and your business. Take that next step. Schedule your free 1-hour sales funnel design session today, and you'll be very glad you did. Once again, my name is D.L. Anderson. I'm the co-founder of ET Marketing. I'm very excited to have taught this power class. I'm very happy that you were with us today. I wish you all the best in your business endeavors, and I hope to hear from you very soon.